We're on site today. All the cabinets have been delivered. We've unboxed all of them, ready for installation. Stay tuned for the progress. Overall, this house, I wanted to make it more modern, yet also traditional. You know, I didn't fully commit to like the whole modern look. When it came to the cabinets, I didn't want to do what I've done in the past with like shaker style doors. They look pretty traditional. So we went with a more clean, modern look door, but not too modern where it still would fit with I would call it like a transitional type house. So with these clean lines, and the color we chose, the color palette fit in great with the rest of the house. So when we're meeting with the architect to design this house, I knew I wanted to just be as unique as possible. And he had mentioned putting the butler's pantry off the kitchen, not inside the kitchen, like a typical duplex. So I knew that this was the perfect spot for it. And it's a perfect transition from the kitchen to the dining room where you're entertaining guests. So when it was time to design and pick out a cabinet for this kitchen, we had met with our cabinet vendor. He brought us all the supplies, all the samples. And once I saw the color, I knew this was the one. It hit me in the face, and this is what we're gonna use. Just the color, when you look at it from far away, from close, it's got some grades in it, even some like blue hues in it, a little bit like beige, if you will. So I just knew it was gonna be a very versatile color that would match any palette. And I feel like it's a timeless color that won't go out of style. And once we took the plastic off, I knew it was a hit. And we're very happy with the decision. One of the unique features of this home is the 4th floor loft, and we added a wet bar to complement the space.